Hey crankers! How do you repeat notes on the Hurdy Gurdy? You're about to learn it. I'm going to make this video only with my high G chanter because my low G is dead. I play like 4 to 5 hours on the street almost every day. I break lots of strings. Tuning! G. It can be low G, high G, or both, or unison, or whatever you like. Our trumpets are going to be C, our drums are going to be C, and our chanters are going to be in G. So how do you repeat notes? No! Oh! No. What you don't want to do is this. Because you are not repeating the C. You're making like C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G. Sorry. You see it? C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G, C, G. Because your G is the open string, so you're making 2 notes instead of 1. What the fuck? Let's see. For example, take your, remember the fingerings? Fingering! It's the opposite of piano, so it's like on guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Place your second finger on C. Oh, let's make it 33. Place your third finger on C. Play. So let's say we want to repeat the C. With our second finger, we're going to tap super slightly on D, like this. Let's make an exercise, 1 scale. Let's choose, for example, C Aeolian. That way you can learn modes too. Remember that the Hurdy Gurdy is a modal language instrument. For those of you who don't really know modes, I'll make some specific videos talking about them and whatever. Okay, C Aeolian equals C minor. So we have 3 flats, which are going to be B, E, A. Yes, sorry, I know the names in Spanish. Si, mi, la. Wait, in your country, do you use A, B, C, D, E, F, G, or do you use do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do? What do you use? Make me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. Remember, first part of the scale, E flat. Second part of the scale, A flat, B flat. That was a regular scale, but now we are going to repeat notes. The first part of the scale, E flat. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? So in this exercise, we're going to repeat do, re, mi, C, D, E. Let's see. You get it? If you use the 4, you tap with 3. If you use 3, you tap with 2. If you use 2, you tap with 1. So you tap with the following finger. Okay, yes. Again. Now 2 taps. We're going to repeat 2 times. Same exercise, 2 tappings. Let's try with 3 taps. Tap, 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 tap. And now we're going to add a coupe that we learned on the previous lesson. Remember, coupe number 1, thumb down, okay? Try to keep your wrist firm. Gang. This is solid. This has to be solid. This is wrong! Keep your wrist as firm as possible. Coupe on every new note. Why don't we pick a simple song and which has some repeating notes and we mix it with the couping and stuff? This is the bouffon dance. I took this one from the Musket. It's a pretty good method for beginners. Nice. We're playing this simple song in C Ionian. First, without couping, focusing on the repeating technique. Tap. See? Again. Tapping with number 1. See, on the last part, tapping with number 2. Now let's add the coupe. 1 is thumb, and 3 is this part, up. I will disengage my chanter now, and let's see the trumpet pattern. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Something cool is singing along while you coupe. Excuse my bad singing. Okay, slowly. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Firm wrist. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Again, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. With me. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 1. Nice. Let's add the left hand tap. may notice there are two ways to repeat a note. So it's like the coupe separates the note. Working on that and the song too. See? Now pay attention to the two techniques, and that's it. This is the experienced players part of the video. It's not that experienced players, but maybe it will work for some of you. Let's coupe off beat. It's cool. With number 2. 2 towards you, you know it. And let's add coupe number 4. Mix it together. Couping off beat and then coupe number 4. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. For 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2. That's it. As most of you may know, I'm full-time Hurdy Gurdy teacher on Skype. So if you want some lessons, drop me a message or find me on Facebook in the Hurdy Gurdy community. This is your Hurdy Gurdy channel, not your heart channel. Your Hurdy Gurdy channel, fanfoneando. Bye.